Getting Rapunzel-like strands is no easy task. Ask anyone who's gobbled down countless biotin pills and vitamin E supplements only to be greeted with the same lackluster strands. There are a lot of factors that contribute to hair growth. Just as your skin needs care and nourishment, your tresses to require your loving attention. Before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips like this and hit that like button and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. Want those luscious locks back? Tired of losing precious strands of hair every day? We say you get rid of those expensive, chemical leached hair products and say hello to natural remedies. There's nothing like making the most of what nature has to offer. Our hair is made up of a protein called keratin that is produced in the hair follicles. As follicles produce new hair cells, old cells are being pushed out through the surface of the skin at the rate of about 6 inches a year. The hair that you can see is actually a string of dead keratin cells. An interesting fact is that an average adult has about 100,000 to 150,000 hair strands and loses up to 100 of them a day. Therefore, finding a few stray hairs on your hairbrush is not necessarily a cause for alarm. Let's check 12 natural ways to increase hair growth and thickness. Number 1. Do a scalp massage to stimulate growth. We spend so much time and money piling on the products that it's easy to forget where hair growth starts, namely, your scalp. Just like good quality soil is essential to growing healthy plants and flowers, a healthy scalp is a foundation for healthy hair growth. Research supports the idea that a scalp massage has beneficial effects on stress hormones, blood pressure, and heart rate. A simple way to stimulate hair growth at home is to give yourself a scalp massage. This will increase blood flow to your scalp, enhance the strength of your roots, and help nutrients get to your follicle faster. You can give yourself a scalp massage with dry hair, but adding a nutrient-rich oil to the mix will only double the benefits. Just keep it to once a week if you have oily roots. Rosemary oil has been used for centuries to stimulate hair growth. It dilates blood vessels and in turn stimulates your follicle to produce new growth. Number 2. Try an egg yolk mask to prevent breakage. On average, hair grows approximately 1/4 to 1/2 inch per month, and while we can't speed up this process, we can affect the quality of the hair shafts. Each follicle can produce thicker, stronger, and shinier locks. There are things we can do to stimulate a higher percentage of hair follicles in the scalp, which will keep more hair in the growing phase and make your head of hair thicker, healthier, and fuller. Unsurprisingly, this makes how you treat your hair crucial to natural hair growth. If your hair breaks before it gets past your shoulders, an egg mask will be your savior. Eggs contain lecithin and protein, which strengthen, nourish, and heal your strands. Plus, their high sulfur content might even help with dandruff. To make the mask, mix 2 eggs with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add 1/2 cup of water to dilute the mixture and make it less sticky. Apply the mask directly to dry, brushed hair, and leave it on for up to 30 minutes. Then, shampoo and condition as usual. Number 3. Check your medications. There are many prescription medications that are known to be associated with hair loss. Some of the commonly prescribed categories of drugs that can exacerbate hair loss include antihypertensives or blood pressure, cholesterol or statins, hormone replacements like thyroid, birth control, testosterone, and certain antidepressants. As a word of caution, you should always discuss these side effects with your doctor before stopping any medications. Number 4. Rinse with cool water to strengthen hair. Just like hot water can cause dryness on your skin, it can be damaging to your mane too. Rinsing with cool water will help close up the cuticle and strengthen hair follicles pre-styling. Cool water is best if you can handle it, but lukewarm is the next best thing if you can't. Number 5. Do a hot castor oil treatment to promote growth. Castor oil is the unsung hero of the hair world. You might even be tempted to ditch your coconut oil after you watch this video. First of all, castor oil has antifungal and antibacterial properties to help combat scalp infections that prevent your hair from growing. Second, it's filled with omega-6 fatty acids, vitamin E, proteins, and other nutrients that can penetrate your parched strands and seal your hair shaft to retain moisture. Thirdly, it makes for an amazing hot oil treatment. Massaging the oil into your roots will help your scalp drink up all of the nutrients and help promote hair growth. To give yourself a hot oil treatment, massage the oil into your scalp and then apply it all the way to the ends of your strands. Pile your hair on top of your head, cover it with a shower cap, and blast your strands with a blow dryer for 15 minutes. Feel free to jump in the shower and shampoo and condition as usual. You'll notice softer strands instantly. Number 6. Avoid smoking for healthy blood flow. Smoking is a personal choice and we're not here to judge, but we'd be lying if we said the act doesn't affect your hair in some way. Smoking restricts blood flow to the scalp and follicles, which in turn restricts the vital oxygen and nutrients that your hair and scalp need to be healthy. Also, the toxins caused by smoking can also reap into the hair follicles and cause disruption. Number 7. Limit heat styling to keep your hair healthy. You probably know this already, but any hairstylist will tell you the most obvious way to help your hair grow faster is to ditch your routine of hot tools. Blow dryers and styling irons can certainly damage your hair by making it dry and brittle, which can lead to breakage and shorter hair length. If you're trying to grow your hair, I recommend air drying your hair and avoiding any heat tools. If you do use a heat tool, I suggest using a heat protectant spray. Number 8. Avoid over-shampooing to let your hair repair. Rumor has it that over-shampooing can lead to broken, dry, and brittle locks due to the cleanser stripping the hair of its natural oils. Depending on your hair type, the number of times to shampoo your hair per week will vary. Thicker, coarser hair types can get away without washing their hair for a few days, while thinner hair types may find their hair feels greasy even after one day. In such cases, dry shampoo can work wonders in soaking up excess grease as you await longer strands. Number 9. Onion juice for hair growth. This remedy is regarded as one of the most effective and oldest ones. The reason behind this is that it contains sulfur that boosts collagen production in the tissues and helps in the regrowth of hair. Don't let its strong smell keep you away from using it, because it goes off just after one rinse. To try this remedy, cut a few slices of onion and squeeze out its juice either by mashing it or grating it and apply it on your scalp for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let it work its magic and then rinse it off with a mild shampoo. Number 10. Avocado and coconut oil. Using avocado, along with coconut oil, can make your hair get thicker and longer. If you are looking for a secret to get thicker hair for men, you need to use this solution. Avocado contains antioxidants, minerals, and fat content. Besides, its anti-inflammatory features make it powerful enough for strengthening hair, moisturizing the follicles, and repairing hair. Apply a small amount of avocado on your scalp and massage it with your fingers gently. After a few minutes, use a shampoo chemical-free to wash it off. You may also massage your hair with warm coconut oil, working it from the roots to the tips. Number 11. Lemon juice and aloe vera. Lemon juice and aloe vera have loads of goodness to give you thicker hair. Besides, lemon juice can boost your immunity system, and in the process, reduce inflammation. It is also believed to cure or at least mitigates graying of hair. You can carry out this treatment by mixing a few drops of lemon juice into half a cup of aloe vera juice and rinse your scalp thoroughly for a few minutes. Leave it to dry for the next 10 minutes, which would remove the oil and dirt from your scalp. Number 12. Pumpkin seed oil. There is no other better way than natural ways to make your hair grow thicker. Go for pumpkin seed oil. This is a relatively lesser-known solution that can help you naturally grow long and thick hair. The seeds of pumpkin contain antioxidants, certain healthy acids, amino fats, and vitamins. This ensures that you can maintain the normal structure of the cells, keeping your scalp and hair moisturized. Using this oil also prevents hair loss to a significant extent. So what do you think? Would you rather go for expensive chemical treatment or rely on natural remedies for hair growth? Let us know in the comment below.